Looks like the rest of the AKs are here.
All the Niners. Sure Leroy will be thrilled his new Russian firepower's here a day early.
Yep.
Right, Ben.
Hi.
Wood and McKeevy see up north.
A few gun brokers, some Irish expats, and fat black hookers.
Where's he now?
He's kissing the palm to the Port Authority contacts. I reckon we got a week, maybe 10 days, and he wants his 200K.
We're working on it.
Clay, he made it very clear we got to have the money up front for the IRA to keep them flush. Otherwise, they sell to the Russians. And we lose the Irish pipeline to our guns.
Leroy's gonna take the 3 dozen AKs off our hands.
Yeah, at a deep discount.
Well, it's either that or spend a month finding a better buyer. At least this way he puts 50 grand in pockets now. Plus the 10 I got this morning, the Chinese money. Gets us more than halfway there.
We'll never be able to get these guns out of here.
Yeah, well, the feds open them oil barrels, we all got a new charter. Stockton State Prison.
Yeah, go meet with Leroy. Pick up our money. Tell him he'll have his guns before the end of the day.
You gonna Houdini this stuff out here, brother?
I'll figure it out.
The older I get, the more I realize that age doesn't bring wisdom. It only brings weary. I'm not any smarter than I was 30 years ago. I've just grown too tired to juggle the lies and hide the fears. Self-awareness doesn't reveal my indiscretions. Exhaustion does.
Well, Niners do not want the AKs.
What?
Nobody's gonna touch him. Not after what went down this morning.
Oh, man. Well, we'll worry about a buyer later. Right now, it's all about the ship.
This is the one. Step back, boys.